Welcome to day one of the class. Over the next few days, I'm going to take you through my entire project management job seeking process, including everything such as how I make myself as competitive a candidate as possible, how I develop and enhance my skills, my approach to qualifications, memberships, certificates, how I write my CV or resume, how I job search, how I position myself on social media for the best opportunities, how I prepare for interviews, and how I built my network to enable the greatest possible exposure to opportunities. But this class is not just about how I go through that process, it's about you. You will be working on your skills, you'll be updating your CV, you'll be job searching, you'll be creating your network so that it can be there to help you when you really need it. By the end of the class, you'll have moved significantly closer to getting that next, or maybe even your first role in project management. I'll share my fundamentals and my approaches and will encourage you to find the unfair advantages in your life that will give you the edge over other candidates in the job market. This curriculum is based on how I go about finding and obtaining job opportunities, and it's transferable, so no matter what season of your career you're in, no matter where in the world you are, there will be something here that will help you, something that you can learn and apply. And hopefully that something will help to open the door to your dream job. You being here is a commitment to doing the work, to not just passively watch me talk, but to actively participate and put all of this into action. I expect you to do the assignments, to put in the effort, and in some cases to get outside of your comfort zone. And that starts in the next lesson, where you'll have an assignment to share with me some details of your life story. I can't wait to hear it.